In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to auto-trace an image in Adobe Illustrator so you can turn any photo, sketch, or graphic into a clean, scalable vector in just a few clicks. This is perfect for logos, illustrations, stickers, screen printing, or any design where you need sharp quality at any size. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to trace, adjust colors, remove backgrounds, and fully edit your vector artwork. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator tutorials. Let's jump right in. Step 1 is to open your image inside Adobe Illustrator. Start by launching Illustrator and creating a new file. You can choose any size for now, since we're mainly focusing on tracing the image. Once your blank document is open, go to the top menu, click on File, then choose Place. Locate the image you want to trace on your computer and click Place. Then click anywhere on your artboard to insert it. If needed, resize the image proportionally by holding Shift while dragging a corner handle so it fits nicely on your canvas. Now that your image is placed, we can apply Image Trace. Click once on the image to make sure it's selected. When selected, you'll see the Image Trace option appear in the top control bar. Go ahead and click Image Trace. Instantly, Illustrator will auto-trace the image and convert it into a vector preview. At this stage, it may not look perfect yet, but don't worry, we're going to refine it next. To adjust the tracing settings, go to the top menu and click Window, then select Image Trace to open the full Image Trace panel. Inside this panel, change the mode to color if it isn't already. This allows Illustrator to trace using multiple colors instead of just black and white. Next, choose High Color from the preset options to retain more detail from the original image. If your design looks too complex or has too many tiny shapes, you can reduce the color slider. Dragging the slider down simplifies the artwork by reducing the number of color shapes, which makes the file cleaner and easier to edit. Take a moment to experiment until you get a good balance between detail and simplicity. If your image has a white background that you don't need, you can remove it directly inside the Image Trace panel. Look for the option called Ignore White and check that box. As soon as you enable it, the white background will disappear from the traced result, leaving only the colored vector shapes. This is especially useful for logos or artwork that you want to place on different backgrounds later. Once you're happy with how the trace looks, it's time to finalize it. Go to the top menu and click Expand. This step is very important because it converts the traced preview into actual editable vector paths. After clicking Expand, your image is now made up of individual shapes and anchor points. If the original raster image is still behind the vector version, you can select and delete it. To freely edit each piece of the vector, right-click on the artwork and choose Ungroup. This separates all the shapes so you can move, recolor, or modify them individually. Now you have full control over every part of your trace design. And that's it. Your image is now a clean, scalable vector that won't lose quality no matter how large or small you resize it. You can change colors, adjust shapes, or export it for print, web, or branding projects with professional results. If this tutorial helped you learn how to auto-trace an image in Adobe Illustrator, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.